Hanumanji also. Manojvam marutatullya vegam jitendriyam buddhimatam varishtham Vatatmajam vanarayutha mukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam prapadye. It is told in our tradition that Hanumanji is pleased when somebody recites Ramcharitmanas. I love these few dohas of Ramcharitmanas and I would like to recite it for Hanumanji and for all of us present here. This instance is when Shri Ram is in the battlefield facing Ravan. Vibhishan looks at Ramchandraji and sees that he has no rath, no arms, no armaments, even he doesn't have any kavach, anything by which he could fight and win over Ravan, who is present in the battlefield with all the then modern arms, armaments and rathas and everything else. So Vibhishan asks Ramchandraji, Ravanu rathi pirath raghupira, dekhi Vibhishan bhayav adhira, adhik preeti man bhasandeha, bandi charan kah sahit saneha, नाथ न रथ नहीं तन पद त्राना केहि विधि जितब वीर बलवाना सुनहु सखा कह कृपा निधाना जेहि जय होई सो स्यंदन आना सौरज धीरज तेहि रथ चाका सत्यशील दृढ़ ध्वजा पताका बल विवेक दम परहित घोरे क्षमा कृपा समता रजु जोरे ईस भजनु सारथी सुजाना बिरति चर्म संतोष कृपाना दान परसु बुद्धि शक्ति प्रचंडा बर विज्ञान कठिन को दंडा अमल अचन मन त्रोन समाना समजम नियम सिली मुख नाना कवच अभेद विप्र गुरु पूजा एहि सम विजय उपाय न दूजा सखा धर्म में असरथ जाके जितन कहन कतहु रिपुताके महा अजय संसार रिपु जीति सकई सो वीर जाके असरत होई दृढ़ सुनहु सखा मति धीर. What Sri Ramchandra ji said is there for all of us to discover. I thank all of you present here for your patience. The subject was really difficult, and even the most learned people who have attended the lecture series said that they actually found some of its concepts and some of the things described in Sri Aurobindo's yoga difficult to comprehend. So I think a great deal of patience was required, but at the same time, something was told to us which I believe is of utmost importance, not only for us, but for the entire humanity and for the future of this planet. This is a very special planet. So far, the scientific discoveries have not been able to trace life on any other planet in the solar system or beyond it. Planet Earth is a great and special place, I believe, loved by God. And He has sent all of us for a very, very special purpose. As Joshiji said in the light of Sri Aurobindo's yoga, that purpose is not to transcend merely, but to bring divinity on this planet, to make this planet a divine temple of the Supreme Lord. Perhaps that is our purpose. And if we dedicate our lives to that purpose, I am sure not only will we be blessed, but we will help bring the Lord's blessing into the people, the children of the Lord. That will be our service to the great Lord. I thank you all once again. Dhanyavad.
I wanted to give to everybody an extract from Sri Aurobindo's Secret of the Veda. There are 8 verses from Rig Veda, first mandala, 20th sukta, which refers to Ribhus. Sri Aurobindo considers Ribhus as artisans of immortality. They are the human beings who attain to immortality according to Sri Veda, and their condition is described. So what is, apart from the verse which I read out from the Rig Veda, which speaks of Prithvi Vitaste, these 8 verses are also very important, and Sri Aurobindo has made an illuminating commentary on it, which is also very useful. So I would like to distribute to everyone one copy so that one can study it later on.
Swastina Indro Pratishtava, Swastina Bhukal Saveda, Swastina Star.
With regards to the future lecture series, as we discussed yesterday, there are a few topics which we need to discuss among ourselves, and then we request about one of those topics to Joshiji for his discourse. So, in order to keep in touch, those who are interested, can you please kindly fill this form with your contact details so that you can be contacted in future? Thank you. Two nine two 60093.
What we have to do.
Yeah, if you don't have to do anything, just need to give me a call and I'll send it to you. The video cassettes or the audio cassettes or the DVD.
Repeat again.
98. It's 98292 60093. Akhilesh Tiwari. If somebody is interested in the DVDs or the audio cassettes, if you can kindly note down my phone number, you can always contact me and let me know. Yeah, it is 98292 60093. Yeah, if you don't have to do anything, just need to give me a call and I'll send it to you. The video cassettes or the audio cassettes or the DVD. Yeah. It's 98292 60093. Akhilesh Tiwari. Thank you. Thank you.